Okay, got blackbeard fire starter kit. All right, focus down on here and on the black stuff.
As you can see, there's plenty of sparks, and we're making a video. This one.
Let's try again.
Can I be a narrator?
Sure. Just focus on this part. You're not here, but point it there. There you go.
You might have watched some of my videos before, from the Acadia channel. Seems that it's getting all smoky.
Oops. I didn't need to blow it. Let's try it one more time.
Okay. Ooh, a fire.
And we're going to move it into here. And we're going to move it into here. And then start our fire.
That
Focus on the fire. Focus on the fire.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
Well, today we're not filming a video on fashion, coronavirus, or a photo album, like many of my other topics.
Yeah.
This one's related on fire. Ooh, more sparks.
Well, hopefully, we'll have enough to catch.
We have hot dogs. Can we have them?
Maybe. Let's get the fire going first.
Have hot dogs now.
Maybe.
Can Baba have a hot dog?
Maybe. We'll see.
I think she's wet. Seems that the fire hasn't been starting, but look, a bit of black burnt. If you look closely. I'm not gonna focus on that black burnt because I don't want to be. I don't want my phone, this phone owner, or me to get to be a black burnt. And as you. It's fire. Hey, where's the fire? Hey, I heard that sand also puts out fire.
Yeah, it chokes out. Well, what are the 3 parts of fire you need?
Food, oxygen. It chokes out the oxygen. Can I blow?
No.
Can't wait till I get a knife. Can I stop it now?
Sure.